In this video we will talk about herbal skincare recipes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Skincare is not a topic of recent times. It has been in practice since ancient times, when herbal skincare was probably the only way to take care of skin. However, skincare has transformed in a big way. Herbal skincare routines have been replaced by synthetic, chemical-based skincare routines. The herbal skincare recipes which once used to be commonplace are not so popular today, and even unknown to a large population. This transformation from herbal skincare to synthetic can probably be attributed to two things: our laziness, or just the fast pace of lives, and the commercialization of skincare. Even herbal skincare products have been commercialized. These commercial herbal skincare products have to be mixed with preservatives in order to increase their shelf life, hence making them less effective than the fresh ones made at home. However, it seems that things are changing fast and more people are now opting for natural and herbal skincare routines. But still, none want to make them at home, and hence the commercial market of herbal skincare products is on the rise. So what are these herbs or herbal skincare mechanisms? Aloe vera, which is an extract from aloe plant, is one of the best examples of herbal skincare product. Freshly extracted aloe vera is a natural hydrant that helps in soothing skin. It also helps in healing cuts and treating sunburns. A number of herbs are known to possess cleansing properties. Dandelion, chamomile, lime flowers and rosemary herbs are a few examples of such cleansers. Their herbal skincare properties get invoked when they are combined with other herbs like tea. Antiseptics are another important part of herbal skincare. Lavender, marigold, thyme and fennel are good examples of herbs that are known to possess antiseptic properties. Lavender water and rose water also form good toners. Tea plays an important part in herbal skincare. Tea extracts are used for treatment of skin that has been damaged by UV radiation. Oils prepared from herbal extracts present another means of herbal skincare. Tea tree oil, lavender oil, borage oil and primrose oil are some popular oils used in herbal skincare. Some fruit oils, e.g. extracts from fruits like banana, apple and melon, find use in shower gels, as a hydrating mix. Homeopathic treatments and aromatherapies also come under the umbrella of herbal skincare remedies. Herbal skincare is good not only for the routine nourishing of skin but also for treatment of skin disorders like eczema and psoriasis. Most herbal skincare products don't have any side effects, the most important reason for preferring them over synthetic products. Moreover, herbal skincare products can be easily made at home, hence making them even more attractive. So, herbal skincare is the way to go. However, this does not mean that you totally discard the synthetic products. Some people go to the extent of debating with their dermatologist if she suggests a synthetic product. You should accept the fact that some skin orders might need usage of clinically proven non-herbal skincare products. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.